Hi, I'm Graham. Welcome to the Vapour's Guide. Today we are going to be looking at the Aspire Minikin Plus. This is a new device released by Aspire. Just like to say thank you to Aspire for sending us one of these to do a test and review. We're going to be giving away one of these little devices, so if you stick around to the end of the show, you'll find details on how you can enter. So let's dive straight in. We'll get down to the table and have a closer look. Okay, so here we have the Aspire Minikin Plus. The one that was sent to us was semi-transparent green, so not bore you with what it says on the outside of the box. We'll just dive straight into it. See what we have here. So you get a set of instructions just telling you how to use it. Don't need those. We get a USB-C cable. We get a lanyard, and that's should you wish to wear it around the neck. That's what you use that for. Nothing else in the box. Then of course you have the actual pod system itself. So the one that they sent us is green, and you can see that it has this lovely carbon fiber effect. You can see it there on camera. There's no buttons or anything like that on this wee device. It's an 850 mAh battery, so it should last you all day. See here, it has the Type-C charging port, and more now this is the industry standard. Then if we look at the actual pod part, it's this part itself, and we'll take that off. Before first use, you obviously do what the sticker says. You peel this off, and you see it has the wee contacts, and these just match up with the contacts on the device, and it installs like that. There is a magnetic. I don't know if you can hear it there on the camera or not, but it actually clicks into place. So whenever you want to fill it up, see this bit of rubber that runs around. What you need to do is just peel that back, and you'll see the little hole there in which to put your liquid. I'll go and grab a liquid and just show you quickly how to fill it. Be right back. You just get your liquid and you put it in to the hole here, and you just squeeze it like that till it's full, and then push this down and make sure it's nice and firm. Grab your wee device and it just clicks on. Leave it for 5-10 minutes just until she's ready to go. We're finished now here on the desk, so we'll go back up and see how she vapes. Okay, so you've seen that this is a relatively simple wee device. It has an 850 mAh battery. That should be plenty to get you going all day. It comes with a 0.8 coil, probably more suited for salts or for a lower milligram neck liquid. I do like the fact that it has a USB-C cable. In other words, you can't put the cable in the wrong way around. That's a good point. The size of the device, it's quite small, so I love that about the device. Negatives, you're talking this is maybe £15 if you were buying it, probably in the shop. The only negative would be I wish there was more than one pod with it. You only get the one pod, so the second pod would have been nice, but for £15 you can't complain. So I've pre-filled it with juice, put nicotine salts into the device. So this is the first time I'll be trying it. I'll be doing a mouth to lung vape. So for beginners, what that means, you use it like you would a cigarette. You draw through the device, goes into your mouth first and then into your lungs. So we'll give it a go and see what it's like. it's a very good device, especially for especially for 15 quid. You can't go wrong. I mean, what's a pack of cigarettes today? I know last time I looked, £12 maybe. Not really made for a full lung hit. That means if you're directly drawing it into your lungs, I think you would think it would be too harsh. So really it is for taking it into your mouth first of all, and then bringing it down into your lungs. And I said it would be good for salts or possibly the lower milligram of nicotine. There's a 0.8 coil in it. I think you get this in a 1.2 coil. So if you had a 1.2 coil, you could use your 18 milligram or 50-50 juice, something like that. Yeah, good device, definitely recommend it. Well done to Aspire for that. So the best part of the video now, if you would like to win one of these bad boys, they're available in 5 different colours. Just like in the comment section, put why you think you should win and what colour you would like, and also make sure that you subscribe to our channel. The winner will be announced next Wednesday. And good luck to you all. We do hope you've liked today's content. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you have, and subscribe to our channel. If you're new to vaping, or you're just thinking about vaping, why not have a look at our last video? It was smoking versus vaping. There should be a card appearing either up here or up here. Just click on that link and it will take you back, and you'll be able to watch that video. Until next week, thanks once again, and may all your clouds be full of flavour.